I think I beat it. I think I beat the start of the recording now. Now, it is pretty interesting. I checked. I was up at 2:15 this morning for work. I checked the position. Even though it is a swing trade, you sort of really shouldn't check it too much. Like if you're checking it too much, that means like a lot during the day. Then either your swing trading isn't for you, or you've got too much risk on. But I checked it this morning. I'm like, like bam, boom, boom, like a Mike Tyson, 88 Mike Tyson coming in, just going bam. Haven't seen Mike Tyson. You need Google search that or YouTube search that, because that's sort of what it felt like. I'm like, I thought things were going really well with the US dollar strength, and it's sort of not quite going to plan. Obviously, this is small sort of reversal, but let's actually get the positions up. We've got the Euro Pound as well that I'm sort of watching here too. What are we doing? I'm sorry, I normally have a nap, but I went to the gym and I went to some athletics training as well. So, yeah. All right, so this is the USDCHF. This, isn't good. The more times it does that with rejection, neutral, so this could easily. I bought it in a strength. Look, I did, and that's that. So we'll see what happens here. Again, it's not like I'm selling signals or anything. This isn't everyone's cup of tea. This was a breakout play, and it hasn't really quite done. Although it's still holding level, but the longer it sort of consolidates, the more it sort of tells me that it doesn't want to go through and continue onwards. So we'll see what it does here. Again, 2% risk, so I'm still eating. If it doesn't work out, I'm still eating. So I like risking after you can. Really, you want to trade with money that you don't need to sort of profit on. Unless it's a really big account, then it's a little different, because if you make like 1%, you got a 200 grand account. It's that's like $2,000 from a small winner. That's and well, at the same time though, you still got to be careful. But if you make 1% on a $2,000 account, it's it's a little bit different, gross, dollar wise, when it comes to like what you can do with that. All right. Anyway, I'm gonna Apple software update this morning. Get out of here, man. Making video, y'all. And the Kiwi's good. That's reversed a little bit, so that was looking like it was running. It was running and gunning. I'm like, geez, man, what's going on here? But it's strange. The Aussie dollar actually has continued to strengthen, and the Aussie and Kiwi, are pretty similar. Its turn as well, okay, but it's bounced again. But the Kiwi hasn't. Bounced as much. All right, so those are the position updates, guys. Again, my trading isn't everyone's cup of tea. Obviously, this entry was better. This was a little less congested. Like I got in here. Really liked sort of what the end of the week candle did, because I got it in last week. Man, I can't believe how quick this year's going. Anyway, all right, so go Euro Pound. Now the Euro Pound is interesting, but I want to sort of wait. It's pretty congested. I saw this on my phone at work, and I'm like, wow, man, it's looking really good. But then I was like, it's easy because you just see that, obviously, on the smartphone, like unless you zoom out, but you don't see as much clarity. So I'm like, well. But then I was like, I did zoom out. I went to the weekly, and I'm like, this is the support here. So I'm gonna let this one go and let it weaken some more. But if it doesn't, no trade. So currently, this is it. Euro Pound, again, I'll have the stop at 55 moving average for the 4-hour time frame trade, and we'll wait and see. But something like this would have been really good. Something like that would have been really good. That's really nice. Get on the low of the candle, stops up, 55, but anyway, you gotta keep monitoring setups. Obviously, when this did happen, though, I was technically really wasn't in a position to take that trade as well, because I'd be 6%, but it was pretty sweet. So anyway, that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.